Alright guys, I don't know how long this is going to last, but we got 50 feet of hose on here and it works better. Longer hose can give you like a reserve in your, you have a little bit of reserve pressure so it doesn't fluctuate as much. And spraying these right now with it. You put a different gun on there, I think. Is it the same gun?
Same gun.
Oh, he's using the same gun. Just to show. Look at this thing. I mean, it's just ripping through eaves. You can tell it's thick paint because look at it, you know, it's covering so good. So yeah, this little Vevor rig. What size tip is that? A 313, but it's blown out. Blown out 313. So it's like a 315 about. I'm trying to blow out my. I got a 313. It's brand new and it's just too much. Too much for this flat paint straight out of the can. Not enough tip size, so I don't know. It's just kind of neat. Let's talk about this a little bit here. So we just painting this house here. The thing I like about this thing is the size of it. I mean, it's just tiny and it's mean, man. The thing puts out some pressure and material volume. Like I said, I don't know how long it lasts, but I think they're $151. I looked up. I thought it was $115, so on my last video. $151. Okay. You got to work out of a deuce because the hose is too short. Even the gun that's on it works fine, but you know, we just added. So I'll put a link in the description for the longer piece of hose. I would say that, I mean, you could connect those two together too if you wanted, or just use it like that for like painting garage doors. That's what we're gonna do. Because then you don't have much line to roll up. So that's why we wanted that short line. But it's kind of quiet too. It works really good. It's got plenty of power. We're using Vista's Acrobon. Straight out of the can, 100% acrylic flat. I mean, it might struggle a little bit with some primers, you know, the real thick primers. It might struggle with that, but I don't know. It seems to work pretty good. That's 50 feet of line. Look at, sprayed those eaves. Oh, I missed a spot. Ah, that happens. Anyway, we're doing them twice anyways, so yeah. Running through them a couple times. It's real dark brown on here. Going to white from dark brown. There's my eaves I'm doing up there, so. Anyway, we're still working on the house. Yeah, I'll throw this footage in there, what we're doing on the house too. So this may be in two different videos, guys, this little section of video. But we're painting this single story house, you know, kind of a light contrast in color, but yeah, they wanted to use white instead of, and we're going to do the fascia board brown, so I don't know how it's going to work out, but we will see. All right, I'll talk to you guys a little bit later in the video, or you can watch this one and this will be it. So yeah, 50 feet of line on that rig works amazing. So, I mean, God, a contractor could even buy like a bucket load of those things and just have two on you, and if it got stolen out of your truck, you just, you know, laugh. You know what I mean? You know, get two of those and, you know, throw one behind the seat. It's that small. You probably get it behind your seat. And then, you know, you got a spare. You know, blow it up. Throw it away. Get another one. Shoot, kind of cool. Talk to you in the next video. Well, we got to, I don't know, 4 gallons in this thing. Just runs, no problem. Still spraying with it up there, using the 4-finger gun and everything. Okay with it. Keeps going.